In this video, I want to show you how to reset a Honeywell thermostat without the reset button, like this one here. This is the Honeywell RTH20B programmable thermostat, and as you can see, it's got no reset button. So to reset this one here, what you want to do is to press the arrow up button and the fan button at the same time and hold for a few seconds. So let's go ahead and do this. First, you want to press any button here to wake the display. Alright, so let's go ahead and reset it. So press the arrow up and fan button at the same time. Keep holding. Okay, so now you can see the options. So you want to use these buttons here to select reset. So this is it right here. And what you want to do next is to press select. And now you can see the options. If you want to reset just your program schedule, you want to go ahead and press select to reset your program schedule. And if you want to perform a factory reset, you want to use these buttons to select. So now you can see factory reset. So what you want to do is to press select to perform a factory reset. So that's how to reset this Honeywell thermostat without a reset button. So that's it. I hope this video helps you. And if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.